Is she gonna move it?
Carl, you two argue and fight, and you're not gonna be able to play with that. I'll put it away.
Hold on.
Shift the gears, Lily. Shift the gears.
There she goes.
Good girl.
You see this little
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
She's high-centered.
Uh-oh.
Shift it down.
And there's not one of them. Oh,
She's all trying to jump it, like, nip, nip.
she knows how to get that stuff.
There you go.
You see her rock back and forth when she hits the gas. That makes her whip forward.
Hi, Mr. Nathan.
She's like, hopping back.
Did you find that Sudoku game? The little handheld game in the book that was in that box?
Why?